So today we're going to cook baby back ribs in the Ninja Foodie. So we're going to air fry them in our Ninja Foodie. Ninja Foodie. Whatever. Anyway, so with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. I have my ribs here, which I just seasoned mine yesterday and just had them sit overnight. You can season them the day of and just let it sit for 5 minutes, but to save me some time, I just did mine yesterday and I just seasoned them overnight. And I also have barbecue sauce. So with your ribs, you can use any kind of season that you want, or dry rub, however you prefer to season your ribs. That's totally up to you. And for its barbecue sauce, you know, it's whatever kind of barbecue sauce you want to use. That is totally up to you as well. But what you want to do is, I cut my ribs so that it would fit in my Ninja Foodie. So what I'm going to do is take and cover my ribs in barbecue sauce, and I'm going to place them in my Ninja Foodie. You don't want your ribs to be on top of one another. You want to lay them kind of flat in your air fryer. So that's why I cut mine up. So I probably have to do 2 batches because it's pretty full. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cover these 2 because my Ninja Foodie is full. So I'm gonna cover these 2 so that when after I cook those, I can go ahead and cook these. So I'm just gonna let these sit in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cook the ones that's in there already. I have my ribs in my air frying basket. So this is the basket here, this great thing here. So I sprayed it with Pam spray, with cooking spray, you know, just in case it did stick. To avoid the sticking, I did spray it. So you can spray it or you don't have to spray it. It's totally up to you. I'm going to close the lid and I'm going to turn it on. And I am going to air fry. So I'm going to hit the air crisp button here. And I want it to cook at 400 degrees for 12 minutes. And then I'm gonna hit start. Uh-oh. And we wait. We cooked them for 12 minutes. Now we're just gonna turn them over. If you want, you can baste them again with barbecue sauce. I'm just gonna baste mine with barbecue sauce. Like that. I'm gonna place the lid back on it, and I'm going to pressure cook it at 400 like last time, but instead of 12 minutes I'm gonna do 8 minutes, and I'll be back. So they have cooked for additional 8 minutes, so we're just gonna check them. They look really good. You want to check the temperature. It should be at least 145. I'm gonna check this one because this one is pretty big. Stick it right down the middle. So as you can see, try to turn it around. We at 155. So they are done. So I'm just gonna take them out and put them on a plate. So that is our ribs and a Ninja Foodie. We can check one more. And it is reading 174. So they are definitely done. They have a pretty color to them. They have a pretty texture to them. And they look amazing. All thing you gotta do now is eat. Simple and easy, but quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my air fry baby back ribs and my Ninja Foodie. As I had told you before, we would have more videos with the Ninja Foodie, and I have more videos, so stay tuned. If your bell is not on, make sure your bell is on. If you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And comment on this video. Let me know what you thought about this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Until the next time, until the next video, I love you guys. Bye.